Hi friends, this video shows how to select preset pressure. So first let me turn on this Qubo inflator. So we can press and hold this power button, that way we can turn on. See, now this is on. Then we can use this button over here. We can use this button to select preset pressure. So right now you can see the symbol of car. This is the pressure for car. So I have changed these values. Then again press, see, motorcycle, see, bicycles, football. So this way we can select preset values. See, just press. And if you want to change this value, you can use this minus and plus buttons. Okay. Then after you selecting this preset pressure, or after you set the pressure, you want to start, right? So for that you can just press this power button. Just press this power button. See, that way we can start, again press and stop. Okay, so this way we can select preset pressure. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.